Nah, I feel great, guys. It's the 50th year, just can't wait to showcase our hard work that we are preparing, and the progress.
Coming from my family, I think we don't really express the culture as much. That's why I kind of found a group of people and decided to just follow their way.
Just growing up, knowing my Tongan side, I just didn't really know much of my Kokana side until Polyfest.
Honestly, I felt thrilled and excited because I've never expressed this side before, only my Māori side. I am looking forward to the bonds in the group and winning.
Oh, good luck to all the schools out there. Can't wait to see you.